This is the Roman News. You will learn about arts, world news, entertainment, travel and leisure, sports, and the Roman editorials. Ask Neptune. Now is probably time I introduce you to sports.
Today I'm here with my partner Praise.
Hi, today we will be discussing Roman activities that will be occurring in the Colosseum and Circus Maximus.
Today in the Colosseum, Christians will be fed to the lions and gladiators will fight to the death at 9 p.m. The Colosseum could hold 50,000 to 80,000 people, so get your tickets soon. It costs 1 silver coin.
In the Circus Maximus, Eastern Rome will play Western Rome. They will race chariots and fight to the death. Oh, what a rivalry. The Roman ball game season is coming up too. The game will happen a week from now. It is Eastern Rome against Western Rome.
Well, that's all we have for sports. Now to world news.
Here in Rome, we have a broad, well-built history
respecting religion and ever-growing economy.
with moist earth waiting for you to sink your hands into.
Today,
We are here to inform you about our religion with information about the Roman gods. Mars is the god of war.
Mercury is the messenger of the gods.
Neptune is god of the sea.
Janus is the god of the doorway.
Diana is the goddess of hunting.
Vesta is the goddess of the hearth.
Minerva is goddess of healing and wisdom.
Venus is the goddess of beauty.
Apollo is the god of poetry, music, and the sun.
Hera is the goddess of marriage.
And Jupiter is king of the gods.
Cool, right? Thing is, if you travel to Rome today, only
You can dig even deeper in Rome's vast information, culture, and fun. See you there. Now for Roman editorials with our special guest, Neptune.
Today is November 2nd, 200 AD. Today you are to gain access to the answers many of questions our readers have asked. Now you can listen to the one and only legendary sea god, answer of all your may I present to you, Neptune, the Earthshaker. Okay, Neptune, here we go. Question number 1. Should the Romans persecute the Christians?
No way! Even if I'm a Roman god, I still believe that what my followers did was inhumane and set a bad example for future generations. I think our emperors went a bit too overboard with giving their pet lions Christians for their afternoon meals.
Thank you, Neptune. Now for our second question. Should Rome be a republic or a monarchy?
Rome should definitely be a republic. There were only 2 successful monarchs that ruled, and they were Julius Caesar and Augustus, by the way. But the Roman Republic was very successful, where the people had the power, where everyone was satisfied, since they all had an equal say in the politics of their nation.
Spoken like a true Roman god. All right, folks, it's time for question number 3. Should Julius Caesar have been stabbed?
No way! He was one of the best Roman rulers. What were those assassins thinking? He was the best Roman ruler, and his stepson greatly improved Rome. Also, he conquered much of Gaul. Later, when he was a ruler, he improved roads, buildings, and schools. Under him, before he died, Rome was thriving. So thanks a lot, assassins.
That's it, Neptune. Thank you again. We hope to see you again.
Yep, same to you.
Now for the Roman entertainment.
Today in Roman entertainment, I'm going to tell you your horoscope. There are 12 signs. Your sign depends on your birthday. Here are a few examples. If you're born January 20th to February 20th, you're Aquarius. Aquarius is a man pouring water out of a jug. If you're born June 21st to July 23rd, you're Cancer. Cancer is a crab. If you're born November 23rd to December 23rd, you are Libra. Libra is balance. If you are born October 23rd to November 22nd, you are Scorpio. Scorpio is a scorpion. If you're born December 21st to January 20th, you're Capricorn. Capricorn is a goat. Now, so what sign are you? Now to arts.
Hi, here we will talk about Roman arts and fashion.
Roman art is very unique. Typical pottery is made out of clay with many uses.
Roman art includes oil lamps and hard stone carvings. They are made into very intricate shapes and designs.
Now onto Roman fashion. Roman wore simple styles of clothes like togas and pallas.
Men and children wore clothes along the same lines as women did.
Materials for these clothing included wool, cotton, linen, and satin.
Depending on your social class, first, second, and third, also depended on the clothes and materials that you wore.
Now moving on to Eddie and Micah with Travel and Leisure.
Pompeii is a lovely estate in the Roman territories. It is known for its natural beauty, accounted for the breathtaking Bay of Naples. This attracts tourists to create a bustling village with elaborate villas and elegant travelers. We are 5 miles away from the great Mount Vesuvius, the perfect place to see Rome with a bird's eye view. In our city, there are tidy artisan shops, cafes, and relaxing baths. Off to the side of the marketplace, there's a 20,000-seat arena where you can watch many Roman sports.
Mount Vesuvius is considered to be one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world. Its last serious eruption was on Roman land, and we used pots to stop the ashes from hurting us. Mount Vesuvius is on the west side of Italy and is the only active volcano in mainland Europe.
This was the Roman News. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you had a great experience of our article.